Hello, my name is Anthony Healy. My student number is X16133676, and this is my final project for cloud application development for the National College of Ireland in Dublin. So the project was developed using Ruby on Rails in the development environment Cloud 9. So we're going to open that up first and see where we are. Great. Now, so we're already up and running here, I think. Yep. So, great. Fire that up. Now, so this is it running locally within this environment, and that allows us to view it for development purposes within this structure. Now, this site has already been pushed up to Heroku using Git. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll log in here and you can see that that's all done. But for the purpose of the demo, I'm going to move straight across to Heroku. And I'm going to push straight up to the cloud site. As you can see, the URL has changed up here and we are now dealing with the cloud. So you're presented with two options when you get to this page first. One is you can log in with an existing profile, or you can create a new profile. So just for the purposes of demonstration again, we're going to create a new profile. So Anthony at email.ie and sign up. And as you can see there, it'll warn you if your passwords are out of sync, which is a good feature, along with many. So, of course, we'd save that. So now, what's my first name? Anthony. My second name is indeed Healy. My address is Mead, and I'm now going to be using it for number 5. So I can create that profile now, and here I am. And if I wanted, I can edit my profile if there's something there I didn't like, or I can see now that where the profile is created and there are other profiles within that list there. So now I'm in. So what can I do once I get in here? So the first thing I can do is I can see all the bikes that are for hire. There's a selection of bikes there. Men's, ladies. From an administrative perspective, if I wanted to, I could come along and I could add a new bike, and here's all the functionality to do that. So, you know, it's all pretty much the same thing. You know, we won't go bother doing that now because I'm sure you know how it works. So that's all your bikes. We have an about page, very brief. Who are we? What we do? Click here for map, see where we are. We're not really there, but for the purposes of demonstration, we are. Contact us. You know, I'd like to book a bike next week. Do you think you'd have it? How are you getting on? I really enjoyed having a bike last week from you. You're great. That's the idea of that one. Here we can see previous bookings, and then we're finished with that. So let's return to bikes. So on this page, we can book a bike. So let's say here we have, you know, men's 06. So let's say we go, well, I'd like to see all the men's bikes. Well, over here we have a function to search all the men's bikes and to filter it down like that. So we filter it down. Now all we can see are just men's bikes. Let's say we're ladies like bikes too, you know. So now we can see all the ladies' bikes, and nobody likes bikes more than kids. Let's search all the kids' bikes. There we are. So let's say we want to book one of these bikes, you know. So we want to go back, we want to book, let's say ladies 04. We like to look at that. Looks like it'd suit my needs. Book this bike. Okay, so we're going to have ladies 04. My name is Mary Burke. I'd like to have it on the 15th of July next year sometime. And I'm going to have that. I'm going to be in Ireland for a week, so I'm on it for 7 days. So I create my order. And here we go. So we can edit that order here if we want to, or we just go back and takes us straight to bookings, and we can see straight away, okay, here I am. I've got my booking. It's for the 15th of the 7th, 2008. It's for 7 days. If I decide, you know what, I'm in Ireland 2 weeks, I think I might like to cycle around a little bit more than that. I can give it a little cheeky edit. Come along here. I'm going to have it for 14 days. There we go. Let's go back again. Now, Mary Burke can indeed see that she has her bike for 14 days. So, again, yeah, we've got a widget here. Tells us the weather. Very important in Ireland if you're cycling on a bike. So we can then, if we want to, we return to our bikes, or at this point, I guess we can sign out. That's it. That's how the site works. So let's go back here for checking and just have a quick look at a little bit of the code. So how does some of this work? Well, Rails follows a standard MVC structure, models, views, controllers, and most of that information, well, all of it is kept in here, within here. So with any one of our functions, for example, the order function, we can come along here, and first we can see our model. So we have our model orders. This is actually to do with a feature called action cable that's installed in the app. It would be more to do with from a booker point of view, where they can see in real time that the data is updating on the screen. We've got you'll see here, like in our items controller, that's where the search is defined, where we can see, right, well, search for a category, that's what it's like. Same profiles, this belongs to users because many they're intertwined with each other, the databases are linked. And again, these in turn, for every one of these on our order, we've got good controllers. We can see our order controller. So here we can see what's going on here, what we're defining, what do we need to, send out, all the good stuff. And then in turn, the final piece of the puzzle, well, it can't work as magic at the back if we can't see it at the front. So this is where we've got, like all our HTML and good bits of stuff going on there, how have we got all these, headings up here, what's going on? Well, that's where all this is set, all that kind of good stuff, Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that in my demo. Please feel free to go and have a look around the site, create a user, book yourself a bike, and thank you for watching.